What's up, traders? James from Take Profit here, and we are going to do the morning ideas for Monday, October 24th. It is 9:10 a.m., so we got 20 minutes to the open. I have not done these in about a month. This is we've been building the templates. I've taken some time off of trading myself, but this is actually episode 421. We look back at all of the ones we've done over the last years, and we've done many of these. Some of you guys are used to these. Some of you have probably never seen these before. But these are going to be done on a daily basis, and we really hope you enjoy it. Again, these are the Monday, October 24th morning ideas. Okay, so going to look at the charts here, guys. We are trading right now 37.88 in the ES. Now, just to, again, like since this is the first one we're doing here at Take Profit, I'm going to give you the broad 30,000 foot view of what we do here. I trade the ES. It's like my bread and butter, and the reason that we only go over that and not like ES and NQ and the Dow and the Russell is because they have like a 96% correlation rate. So of course, the levels will be different because you can see the ES is trading 37.88 versus the NQ trading 379. However, usually they are somewhat in sync. You can see that the ES is up 60 basis points, the NQ up 18, and then you down here in the Dow and the Russell are kind of more in line with the ES at 70 and 59. But again, they're correlated, so I don't want to take too much time. My goal here is to be always under 5 minutes and give you a quick snapshot of what I'm seeing in the market. It helps my trading too, so I hope you guys find it useful. What I can see here overnight is this is the on the bottom here, you have a 15-minute session, and you can see that these are individuals. These profiles here are individual sessions. So this is showing me everything from the Globex Open, which was the Globex Open on, this is where, let's go back to, this is Friday actually. And we don't have, let me change this to, this is regular trading hours. I want to put it electronic trading. Okay, there we go. So there's electronic trading hours. This is the Globex Open right here. You can see on Friday, we rallied up. We put a volume point of control at the high, which means that we'll likely need to go higher to finish the auction. We've done that. It looks somewhat balanced overnight. We're trading 37.85 currently, which is, again, it's kind of like in the middle of the overnight session, but above Friday's high. But big picture, what I'm looking at here is a market that, since the beginning of October, we're still trading almost right on the monthly VWAP. And I can make this bigger so we could see on the 4-hour chart. And again, there's no reason the 4-hour chart versus 15-minute. It just gives me a wider lens, so I don't get so caught up in the noise. And here's the VWAP for the month so far, sitting at 37.15. You can also see pretty much that the VPOC is right in that same area. I mean, I can include less days. I could just include, the month, and that pretty much gives me the VPOC at the same area. I just include everything so that it's not all time-based and where the market is overlapping, and I would include like all of this data down here. That puts the VWAP VPOC right at 36.93 or so with a nice balanced profile. Again, what this is telling me though is that the market is entering is in that upper quadrant of the standard deviations of the VWAP, and this green line up here is the second standard deviation. I'm looking for, as you can see, since the beginning of the month, we've really just gone back and forth across the VWAP, and now we're entering that area near, let's just call it 38.40. Is right. I think it's 38.34.50, as you can see here, is that second standard deviation. As we approach that, I think that we'll see some resistance higher, as the market really has been dragging since the beginning of the year. You can see that this is everything from the beginning of 2022 opening here, and we've just kind of been in this downtrend. So I wouldn't expect some kind of a squeeze yet. It doesn't look like technically it's set up for it. There's still a lot of pressure on the bonds, which are kind of going in the same direction. If I pull up the bonds real quick, they're going in the same direction as the S&P. You can see just down, down, down since the beginning of the year. And we kind of like the sell everything kind of movement in this market. So This is what I'm seeing. We could probably, after the strength of Friday, expect some kind of, at least a head fake higher to try to show some strength off of the open. I just don't see a whole lot of upside probability here. And again, we're not looking to definitively say this or that's going to happen in the market, just looking at probabilities. And I think that the probability for a more of a sideways day, or at least see some resistance higher, is pretty big. Okay. So that's what I'm seeing in the market. And I just wanted to go over, as this is the first day we're doing this at Take Profit, is that we do these every day. This is actually episode 421. We went way back. We've been doing these for years. But the key for us to do this is, for me, selfishly, it helps my trading. But for you, is if you're at Take Profit, maybe some of these ideas will help you from chasing the market all around. We'll always have some stuff in the comments below, in the description, where you could check out the PDF. You could check out all of this stuff that we have that will help you. And again, the idea behind that is, if you're trading for us, then that will eventually help us make more money if you're trading our funds. Okay, so I'll leave it at that. You'll see us here pretty much every day. I can't say every day, because I do these myself, and we're running around quite a bit too and doing meetings and stuff. But I try to do these every day, again, for my own trading, because I'm a trader myself. All right. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have any questions, always in the comments below, and we can help you out. Thanks, guys.